Good morning, Liam. Did you sleep well?
Good morning, Anna. Yes, I slept really well last night. How about you?
I slept well too, but I am still a little tired.
I know what you mean. It can be hard to wake up early.
Especially after a busy week.
That's true. By the way, what time is it?
Let me check. It's already 6:30.
Wow, time goes by so fast in the morning.
It really does.
I should probably start getting ready for work.
Don't worry, you still have plenty of time.
That's good to hear.
What time do you need to leave?
Around 7:45.
Then you're fine. You still have more than an hour.
Thanks. That makes me feel much better. Anna, have you seen my blue shirt?
Your blue shirt? I think it's in the closet.
Really? I looked there a few minutes ago.
Maybe it's hanging behind your jacket.
Let me check again.
Did you find it?
Oh, yes. You were right.
I told you.
Thanks. I don't know why I missed it.
You're probably still half asleep.
That's possible.
Do you have everything else?
I have my shirt, my wallet, and my laptop.
What about your work badge?
Good catch. It's on the kitchen counter.
See? That's why I'm here.
I would be lost without you.
I made fresh coffee this morning.
Really? That smells amazing.
I thought you might need some before work.
You know me very well.
Do you want any sugar?
No, thank you. Just coffee is perfect.
Here you go.
Thanks.
Careful, it's still very hot.
You're right. I'll let it cool down a little.
Are you excited about work today?
A little. I still feel new at the company.
That's normal. You've only been there for a few weeks.
I know. I'm still learning everyone's names.
You'll get used to it soon.
I hope so.
I believe in you.
Thanks. That means a lot.
Hello, welcome to Home Goods.
Hi, thank you.
Is there anything I can help you find today?
Yes, actually. I just moved into a new apartment.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you. I still need a few things for my kitchen.
What are you looking for?
I need a pot, a cutting board, and some bowls.
No problem. The kitchen section is right over there.
Great. Do you also sell drinking glasses?
Yes, we do.
Perfect.
Are you setting up your first apartment?
No, but it feels like it. We left a lot of things behind.
That happens all the time.
I guess we're starting fresh.
That's exciting.
These bowls are nice.
They are one of our best-selling sets.
I like the color.
They're very popular with new homeowners.
I'm also looking for wine glasses.
We have several styles.
I think these look elegant.
Good choice.
How many glasses come in the box?
There are 4 in each set.
That's perfect.
Do you need plates too?
Yes, ours are getting old.
These plates are on sale today.
Really? That's great.
You can save $10.
Then I'll take them.
Hi there. What can I get started for you today?
Hello. I'd like to order a turkey sandwich, please.
Sure. Would you like white bread or whole wheat bread?
Whole wheat bread, please.
Great choice.
Can I also get a bottle of water?
Of course.
Thank you.
Would you like chips or a small salad with your sandwich?
No, thank you. just the sandwich and water.
All right.
This bakery looks very popular.
It is. We get busy around lunchtime.
I can see why. Everything looks delicious.
Thank you. We make everything fresh every morning.
That's wonderful.
Your total comes to $9.50.
I'll pay with my card.
Good morning, everyone. Let's get started.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
We have an important customer meeting next week.
Okay.
The customer wants us to visit their office.
That sounds important.
It is. We will need someone to give the presentation.
I see.
Liam, would you be willing to do it?
Me?
Yes, I think you're a good fit.
I'd be happy to help.
Excellent.
When is the meeting?
Next Thursday morning.
All right. I'll start preparing today.
Congratulations, Liam.
Thanks.
That's a big opportunity.
I know. I'm excited, but also nervous.
That's completely normal.
Have you ever given a presentation to a customer?
Many times?
Were you nervous the first time?
Absolutely.
Really?
Of course. Everyone gets nervous.
That makes me feel better.
The key is to practice.
I'll definitely do that.
You'll be fine.
Thanks for the encouragement.
Anytime.
Finally, I'm home. Today was productive. I bought almost everything we needed. Let's see what we have. Pasta, vegetables, and chicken. That should be enough for dinner. I'm glad I bought the new pot today. It already feels useful. I think Liam will be hungry after work. Maybe I'll make a little extra. The kitchen is starting to feel more like home. That's a nice feeling. Living in a new place is getting easier every day.
Wow, dinner smells amazing.
Thanks. I just finished cooking.
It looks great too.
I'm glad you like it.
How was your day?
Busy, but good.
What did you do?
I went shopping for kitchen supplies.
Did you find everything you needed?
Almost everything.
That's good.
How about your day?
Something interesting happened.
Really? What was it?
My manager asked me to give a presentation next week.
That's wonderful.
I'm excited, but a little nervous.
I think you'll do a great job.
Thanks. Hearing that helps.
We'll celebrate after your presentation.
It's a deal.